This is the dollar index, and this week and the week after this, we'll be expecting to see structural bullishness in the 10-year yield. So what does that mean for the dollar? Typically, we should expect to see bullish pricing on the dollar if the 10-year yield keeps going higher. But for some reason, we might not be seeing that happen because the bullishness of the 10-year yield is rather unprecedented at this time. We might not see that bullish reaction in the dollar. It's possible we could see it drive it higher, but again, it's also unlikely. We could see some sort of decoupled market at this time. So what am I expecting? You see at the bearish dollar, I'll be expecting for price to trade inside of these levels here, these shaded levels here, break, confirm some sort of bearish structure, and then for price to continue lower. Should this thing form a bullish pricing above this high, then it's possible that the 10-year yield will be the catalyst sending it higher. But for now, I'm not certain. I want to see what price wants to do, then we can move from there. The Euro USD, because of this bullish pivot here, price was sent lower, taking our sell side here, and then broke higher. Typically, I'll expect for this to be a pullback into this inefficiency here and then a continuation higher. But because we're in a decoupled market environment at this point, it's unlikely that this block will be completely defeated. So this could be some sort of move that went higher into this block, only for it to cascade lower, taking out this guy. Or we could see this trade higher into this one more time and then show some sort of bearish structure to the downside. And then, that will be it. But overall, I want to see how price handles this block inside of here. A complete defeat of it and a pullback into it will be a long continuation, a continuation to go higher. Almost the same thing with GBP USD. But for now, I'm still observing cable to see how it behaves. It's trading in between this range, higher and lower. So whatever price does inside of here, I'll be watching most of the time to see, how it is handled. But overall, for price to continue going higher on this thing, I would like to see a strong close above this guy and then a rally to close this range here. So what am I trying to say? Overall, at this time, I'm not certain what the market is going to do. A lot is dependent on how the yield behaves and how that affects the dollar. Gold. So this market, we've pretty much seen what we wanted to see. When price was still trading inside of here, we said we wanted to see it trade deeper into this shaded level here and then sell shorts from there. And we've seen exactly that happen. Price took out sell side from here and then we saw this bullish pivots in here when price was sent lower, and then the previous week just all it did was break higher. So while this move is a pullback or a continuous bearish structure, I'd like to see this shaded level beneath here completely close. So once that happens this week, then bearishness will ensue. Else, I want to see this place show some sort of reaction, bullish reaction that might want to continue sending price higher